In this video, I'm going to show you how to save videos from Facebook in 2023. This is quick and easy. So first, we need to find a video to save. So here, after that, you need to click these three dots, then copy link. After you copy the link, you go to this website, fdown.net, and then you need to post the link, then click download. And you have choices like download video in normal quality and download video in HD quality. So let's try HD quality. Need to close the ads first. And as you can see, it is downloading. Let's press it. And the video is downloaded. Thank you, and I hope it helps.